Hello everybody, thank you so much for visiting the Mark King Properties YouTube channel, where we talk about all things from how to sell your house quickly, how to sell to a cash buyer, and so much more. Here you'll find videos that are instructional, helpful and really useful when it comes to navigating the property market in general. So make sure that you subscribe so you do not miss out on future videos. So in today's 2 Minute Tuesday, we're going to be talking about the benefits of selling your property to a cash buyer. Well, the first benefit is obviously that there is no chain. This means that the sale can progress quickly. There are no delays like mortgage applications, and it is far less likely that any kind of sale of this nature would fall through. It just provides you with security and certainty. When you sell to a professional cash buyer like Mark King Properties, you have that flexibility. They can work to your time frame. So if you want to complete within a working week, or if you want to go a little slow, you have that flexibility. You are not working on anyone else's time scales, and you have that complete comfort that they can do things at a time that suits you. Getting a cash advance can be so useful when it comes to putting a deposit down for your next property, home improvements, or just making your life that little bit more comfortable. You are not liable or expected to carry out any other repairs. So regardless of the property's condition, you can sell to a professional cash buyer without having to redecorate, without having to clear it out. And even if it's run down, it's not going to affect the sale like it would if you were selling to, say, a couple or a family. And of course, there are no fees to be incurred on your side. So the professional cash buyer will take care of the solicitor's costs and any other costs that come. It is such an expensive process, so the fact that you don't have any fees is a massive, massive advantage, because it means you have more money to spend on your next chapter and on what you want. Less intrusion. Nobody really wants to have people coming in and out of their house, and if you choose a professional cash buyer, it's likely to be one visit, in and out, done and dusted. Choosing to sell to a cash buyer also makes you more proceedable. So in your next property, you are not part of a chain, which puts you above other people that are waiting for their sales to complete. This makes your vendor much more likely to accept your offer. So if you sell to a professional cash buyer, you have a point of contact, someone that you can reach if you have any questions or any concerns at all. Most professional cash buyers, especially ones like ours, are part of governing bodies that make sure that everything is regulated and above board. And of course, make sure you check those independent reviews as well, such as Google and Facebook. So those are the main benefits when it comes to selling to a cash buyer. We're also going to be doing a video on our next 2 Minute Tuesday talking about the 5 things you really do need to check for when choosing your professional cash buyer to make sure everything is going to run as smoothly and as seamlessly as possible. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in our next one.